Hello there, everybody. New day, new story to tell. So now I'm preparing myself because today we will meet with my partner. So inaayos ko lang yung kilay ko kasi may mga tubo na talaga siya. Anyway, I'm just trying to make my vlog like English and Tagalog because sometimes there is some instances that I cannot really tell the words that I want to say because our second language is English. Okay, so today magkikita kaming dalawa and we will go in Finicodes to have our dinner date. So, habang nag-aayos ako, let's talk about comparing Filipinas to another Filipina that is having a partner that is foreigner. Anyway, I watched a video yesterday. One Filipina that is based also in the US. I think they are already married, and most of her basher on her video is telling that you cannot compare, or you cannot be with the same with what Cindy Cinco is right now. They are literally comparing that one Filipina to Cindy Cinco. That is, we know that Cindy Cinco is having a husband that is also American. And yes, we all know also that American is having a profession and having a good work anyway. So we can say that mas bongga yung napili talaga ni yung binigay ni Lord kay Cindy Cinco na husband. So compared to other foreigner is meron naman talaga siyang kaya. So that Filipina yesterday talk about that because she said she's not hurt even though the basher is comparing her to Cindy Cinco dahil mahirap lang daw yung AFAM or yung American niya na husband na rin ngayon compare daw sa asawa ni or sa husband ni Cindy Cinco. Anyway, sinabi niya rin na happy siya kung ano man yung naabot ni Cindy Cinco kasi nakikita rin naman natin na nagkaroon na siya ng fashion model magazine and siya yung nakabalandra doon si Cindy Cinco. So, naamin naman ng isang Pilipina na okay naman yung kanilang pamumuhay doon sa Amerika pero hindi siya ganun ka high standard talaga na pamumuhay. So, talagang may nakakain, may natitirahan, may trabaho, ganyan. So, the important is, masipag yung lalaki, masipag, oh, grabe yung bilbil ko eh. Masipag yung lalaki and then, nilolook forward yung future nyong dalawa na magkasama and then, responsabling husband. Hindi siya palamunin, hindi siya tamad, alam niya yung obligation niya, so it's okay. Nothing to compare with other Filipinas that is having a foreigner partner because every one of us has a different lifestyle, different foreigners that we have, and nothing to compare but to, around the applause to those Filipina that is so lucky to find their foreigners husband that can really completely financially stable and having a good work. So it's good for them. No hate, no jealousy. And let's be happy to those Filipinas that are having their AFAM like that. Even though it's not Filipinos, any nationality, you will not be good in your life if you are having hatred, having jealousy in your heart to other people. So let's be happy if what God's gave to them. So whatever you have also, just be grateful and do the things that also make your life work and makes your life more stability. So yeah, comparing to other people is really not good because kahit ano pa man ang gagawin mo, talagang may masasabi at masasabi yung mga tao. So let's face this. kind of life, like, you know, be happy and grateful all the time. Christmas is coming, so share love and kindness to everyone. So, yeah, sa akin naman dati importante lang talaga is may trabaho yung lalaki. Yung alam niya yung pinagdadaanan mo, yung accept ka niya kung ano ka, yung alam niya yung obligasyon niya, and then it's worth the wait and it's worth, you know, na ipaglaban yung tao na yun. Kahit hindi siya bilyonaryo, kahit hindi siya milyonaryo, at least alam mo na may trabaho, kanya-kanyang buhayin, may trabaho kayong dalawa, hindi siya pasaway, hindi ganito, hindi babaero, hindi manloloko, yung ganun ba, hindi tamad. So yeah, that's life, no? Nothing to compare with someone else to someone else. It's not good. So, mag-aayos ako ngayong araw. So, hopefully, no? Huwag tayong mangkutsa or magbabash ng mga Filipino na hindi gaano kayaman yung foreigner na meron sila. Importante, hindi manloloko, hindi yung mandrambong, hindi tamad. Kasi gaano man yan kayaman pero masakit naman sa ulo, paano na? Diba? So, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung kahit tamang-tama lang basta proud siya na sabihin sa buong mundo na meron siyang Pilipina na nakilala na mahal na mahal niya at andyan lang lagi. Nothing to compare. Kahit winter dito, sobrang dry ng skin ko. Matanda na ata ako talaga. Gusto kong i-topic every time na nag-video ako tungkol sa mga foreigner na nakapag-asawa o nakapag-jowa ng mga ibang lahi. So, naghanap na talaga ako ng tiyempo. Pag may nakita kasi akong video na ang sarap siya i-topic, so ginagawan ko siya ng video pag may time ako. Ayan. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye!